As many of you know, Aston Martin has existed for well over 100 years, but it wasn't until a wealthy industrialist called Sir David Brown, who purchased the company just after the Second World War, really put Aston Martin on the map. He wanted to take the DB4 racing. The standard car was too heavy, didn't have enough power, so he trusted it to a team of crack engineers in the racing department to turn it into what we now know as the DB4 GT. A wonderful car, shorter wheelbase, more power, more agile than the standard car. He trusted it to Sir Stirling Moss, his #1 racing driver, who raced it here at Silverstone and won first time out. And that sealed the car as being a legend going forward.
The checkered flag marks yet another victory for Stirling Moss in a British car.
And of course those cars have continued to be raced and looked after and loved, but only 75 units were ever made. We should have actually built 100 for homologation for GT racing. So there's another 25 cars that we never actually manufactured. So it wasn't until 2017 when we decided we'd set the record straight and build the DB4 GT Continuation cars. There are only 25 of them and they've gone all over the world. However, this is the very first customer car that we manufactured at the end of 2017. So it has a slightly special place, certainly in our engineer's heart and probably mine too. This car has a very complete specification and we finished it in one of the original DB4 GT colours in Snow Shadow Grey. It has the triple stripe, the white and the black. It has the roundels, but interestingly, when we paint these cars, we paint every single car by hand. Even the battery master cutoff switch on the side of the front wing was actually hand painted by a sign writer. So that's how detailed it is and how authentic the DB4 GT Continuation is. One of my personal favourite features on this particular car is the Le Mans lighting. It looks magnificent. It is absolutely as fitted to the car that ran at Le Mans in 1959. When you drive a DB4 GT Continuation car, in the dark, you can't help but hark back to those heydays when Sir Stirling Moss drove the car at Silverstone, won first time out. We're delighted to bring this DB4 GT Continuation car to the market. A very rare opportunity to purchase a car with only delivery miles. And a wonderful piece of our history that I know a new owner will love, enjoy and cherish.